today I'm gonna be playing Volcano Survival. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, look at everybody down there. It's a disaster volcano. What is happening with that? What is happening? It's now erupting. Oh my gosh, what did they do? Oh my gosh. Let's stop that volcano. If we die, we must start shortly. Okay, let's get started. I have a ninja animation pack. Let's do it. Now I have a ninja animation package. Now I have all the stuff if I want. Not the others if I want. Oh! The volcano has stopped. Let's see the survivors. Oh, 2 survivors. Oh, you wrote that? How? Why am I looking for that? Oh my gosh. Next round starts soon. Ugh. Hey! Ugh. What do you think are you doing? Rejoining. Loading map. Ooh, it's ancient Egypt from Plants vs. Zombies 2 when I played before. Wow. Hey, who put that noob face in it? Like, noob. Okay, let's get up. It will erupt soon. Alright, let's get started. Okay, where's the volcano? Oh, is that the volcano? Ah! Oh my gosh! It's streaking for me! It's erupting! Its head is straight falling! Get it cover! Get it cover! Get it cover! Oh no, this skull's broken! Oh my god, its head is straight for me! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! It's very bad! Ow! I just lost my health! Ow! Ow! Now I'm burning! Oh my gosh! Noob, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Aw, he's not okay. Oh my gosh. How? Let's chicken dip it. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What happened? Oh no, new face is on fire. Somebody get a fire extinguisher. No. 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 Ow. 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 No. Ow. Ow. Oh my gosh. Why is there erupting? Oh my gosh. It is very bad. Oh, it disappeared. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! The volcano has stopped. Let's see who survived. Hey, we survived! Nice. That's great. Hey, dude. Why are you an ugly face? How could you do that? Why you guess? You know what? I'm not going to be your friend today. We forest campground. Ooh. It looks like camping. Camping is boring. The old man is snoring. Back to bed, bump the sack. Go back in the morning. Wow. We have this. Can we touch it? Oh, it's safe. Oh my god. I'm going. The volcano is erupting soon. Where's our safety? Oh, I can get in my house. Okay, let's get it. Oh my god! It's erupting! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ow! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Jump in it! Get in here! Ah! Everything is erupting! You're going to kill me! Ah! being killing. Come on, let's push wall. Hey dude, don't want to push wall, eh? Come on, ow. You're gas. It's gas, the boring. The old man snoring. The back, funky shake. The bunky. Wow. The volcano has stopped. Let's see the survivors. One survivor. I didn't survive. Whenever you survive, guess what happens when you lost them? People clap. Like the whole game claps. Come on! Bam! I'm for the next one. Open to erupting. Open to erupting. Or maybe I should Hey dude! Why guys already 3 of you? Huh? I'm gonna be up dance myself. Oh, bonus round. Frozen fire. Oh no, we're going to die. We're gonna die. Get into your numbers. Me. No. Alright, we're in safety, okay? We pick our number like this. Alright. You see that? You will die. You're done. Oh my gosh. Where is it? Oh my gosh. It's erupting. Run for your life. Oh no, I'm freezing. Let me get out. Ow. Why are there a lot of frozen ices everywhere? Why are they freezing? Oh my gosh. Let's get up into the tree. Hi, Mr. Bob. I'm so bad. I survived. Woohoo! Now I'm dancing. Yeah, reach over. Whoa. Now I'm dancing. Oh, but Gangnam style. Oh, but Gangnam style. Okay, let's run. Run for your life. Run! Don't touch those ices or else they will freeze you to death. No, I'm at the branch. No, I don't want the branch. Oh my god, why is it on fire? It doesn't. Ow! It heats me. See, you cannot touch it. Alright, let's get down. Jump! Nice! Ah! You killed me again. Let's see who survived. No one. Oh my gosh. Hey, why are you Coca-Cola? Huh? Bah! Hey, why did you dress up like bacon hair? You're a girl. Okay. You want to dance? Oh, there's only 3 people left. Me? Oh, this guy's joining. Hi, bacon head. You are spoiled. Oh, this is Empty Island when we went back to Jaws. Wow, this land is interesting. We're at Cheap Brody and Gordon's house. See that? Cheap Brody, I'm on my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Cheap Brody, I'm on my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Oh, he unjoined. Oh my gosh, I am Cheap Brody. Oh my god, Cheap Brody and Gordon's house is on fire. Run for your life. It's turning out to fire. Oh my god, we're gonna die. Let's climb up here. It's safety. Oh my god, it's 54 seconds. Let's go for the remaining. Okay, who wants some ice cream? Ice cream. Oh, the ice cream broke. It's on fire. Alright. Oh no, the confident this one is on fire. We must get out. Ow! I just eat it. We're going to die. Oh my god. We're going for it. Oh my gosh. This is very bad. We're at the sea. Okay, we'll dry us up. What are you doing? You killed me. Aw, no survivors. So, thanks for watching everyone. And give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe. So, see you later.